Wow.
Lion foot.
Wow.
Baby, lion foot, big up yourself. The righteous are chill. Can I get a nice moment?
Wow.
Wow, lion foot, righteous stuff. Little bit of baby.
Off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the people production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health is our wealth, and your health is your wealth. So please take care of it. See? Yeah, man. Love your life. Treat it right. Make sure you eat healthy. See me? Now today the 8th of March, and some viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope you love and blessings, long life and prosperity. You see me? I don't know, that's all Lion Foot wish for you all. You see what I say? Now, my viewers and subscribers, all good entertainment for you. You know what I mean? Today I present to you, we have Dan Mafia. I have a show come up the 13th. So we're making good information. And also Silver Cat, the original veteran Silver Cat. You see me? We have Daddy Bostin, shortest and the baddest from out of Gambia. You see me? And Stylo G on stage. You must jump off. You see? No other around here, no jump on. You see me? So Stylo C jump. Yo, after the break.
Yeah, man, Jaja. Remove all of them from around me. Sweetest things for 2021, them just move themselves. But even if you move them, they're all removing themselves.
When me a party, me go hard, me no fear when me there coulda yard or abroad. Me spend brave, me no spend like a ward. Music me selling on me and no drugs lad. Watch on the man first the image I hear the voice on Rasai Marik, aka Lion Foot in the ears and eyes. And me represent for Clive, aka Drexler. You ever send a man in association with Brits and Bottles headquarters. You know say I'm ear to ear, cookout, scene and after party. The 26th of March, it not go normal. You ever see the man? Refreshment and sale. You see me I say 12 bills, give you fish and a beer. See? And you see 15 bills, give you jerk pork with a beer. 15 bills, give you jerk chicken with a beer. You hear? That worth it, man. It's not too dear. You hear me I say the man? Just roll on the 26th of March. Yeah, man. Painland, Brits and Bottles headquarters. You don't know music, qualified music, and an early setting. See? So the roll out. Yo, any club me step in official level. Liquor where they in the bar official. Yeah, the 26th of March. Drexler, cook out, book out. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. So, we'll kick it off with Dan Mafia. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia, talk to them.
Boom! Dan Mafia represent for a thing here, a whole new world. March 13, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dan Mafia, Maca Diamond, Merciless, Lion Memory, G-Mac, Regalax, Prime Suspect. You know, say, IM3 Zoom link, live streaming, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere on the internet. And you know, so that one have free concert for the fans them. So make sure you know, log in and enjoy yourself, because March 13, you know, you don't know, say thing I go loud, you know, it I go turn up, you know, it I go buck, you know. When me say, man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's a virtual performance from Dan Mafia and all the other acts. You see me, so you can go tune in. You get what I say? The 13th of March. You don't know it's a free concert, so you can tune in and enjoy yourself. So all of the Dan Mafia fans, that's a treat for you. Next, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. You don't know Silver Cat, the original Silver Cat. We need back the fun in a dance hall right now. So big up Spirit of Truth. You see me? Yes, so listen Silver Cat freestyle.
Yeah, I'm Jamaica. We want a vaccine to stop people from get murder. Gunshot to kill people more than corona. So me no know if them a get this correct, as most people when me know they that shot them get. From the year start, enough ones me know dead. Not by corona, them no sick in them bed. Man I come from work, you know, man go on bread and gunman roll up and shoot them in them head. Me go country where they go link my friend Alfred. Ask your Fred, everybody are hold on them head. Me say corona kill him, a man shout no dread. And no corona kill him, a copper hand lead. Give thanks for life, cause me glad to see me there. Every night before me go to bed, me say me prayer. Wait a little bit dog, no shot, not a fire. Take what myself, don't tell nobody me the dire.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, big up Silver Cat anyway there. Bad. Man, take care himself. Hey, them shot the sun real too, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, big up Silver Cat. Next, my viewers and subscribers. The shortest and the baddest from out of Gambia named Daddy Bostin. See, you can look out for him, you see me? The man have a song named Touch and Go. Yo, the man work the stage. Watch what I go on.
We are for Yo, my viewers and subscribers, so the man I work the stage. The shortest and the baddest boy, the man look like a little ants on the stage. The man look like a little ants on the stage, but the man I work the stage. You see me? When that time I check some, I jump on a tall girl there now. I work her, you know. Yo, big up Daddy Bostin. Energy. Look out for that single from Daddy Bostin. Repatriation in a Zion. All courtesy of Poor People Production. Send? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You know we have to save the best for last right now. They kept me and say the best for last. Stylo G and Sage in Gambia are doing works. You know Stylo G trending right now. See? Yeah man, Stylo G trending. You see me? So watch out now, my viewers and subscribers. Watch out. Bombaka. Get up and move anytime.
Yeah, put the money off a stage, you know. You know, me run them money and jump a man past stage. You know, me run them stage show them. What I fire now, me run them stage show them.
You have to move anytime, move.
Yeah, put the money off a stage, you know. You know, me run them money and jump a man past stage. You know, me run them stage show them. What I fire now, me run them stage show them. Yeah, hold on. The last time you see a man jump up and hug up on a man, me run them show them, you know. Yeah, me know a man jump up and hug up and I have to take on myself. I want one a while ago. Yeah, man.
Yo, you see crowd? Big up Gambia, the smiling coast, you know. Yeah, man. One thing with Gambia, me can tell you, as me, who has had the experience there, people them love dancehall, them love reggae. A local Jamaica, a Jamaica next brother that, you see me? The smiling coast, Gambia. So, you see how much crowd out there and Stylo and I perform. Yo, me see a thing, fling over the man head. Me don't know what that them fling, you know. Me see somebody throw something. You see me? Remember Dexter that sit up on stage and then throw and girl throw knickers. You see me? But me don't know about them throw up on Stylo G. They look after that, me see a man and run towards him. Stylo G jump off of the stage to blow. Whoa. The brother say, no jump on around here because you do say I did come hug up. Oh, Roman Virgo and Christopher Martin. I don't remember which one of them. The man can jump. Yo, but I saw the fun them still, especially in Africa, you know. Them don't really mean nothing. Personally, like, you know, funny thing or nothing, but I just saw the love for music. You see my viewers and subscribers, but Stylo G said, not check, not Lou. You know, I give the vloggers nothing to run with. You see my viewers and subscribers. You must say, I don't know, big up Stylo G, big up everybody, whole heap of love and respect. Manners, you see me? A lion foot, I will say, blessed Sunday, blessed Monday. Do give thanks to life. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click the bell. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Click the bell and share, alright? Peace, I'm out.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? You wanna name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out on a defense by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I hit that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.